welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. I know it's not quite a joinery construction video. Life throws these things at you. And life threw good hard lemon at me last week. Did a pretty good job of the van. I've managed to source a load of parts to get it all repaired. So yeah, we're going to repair it and we're going to get it back on the road maybe today. Potentially going to need a bit of welding. This inner wing is all distorted and I don't think I'm going to be able to pull it back into shape. I'll only cut this inner wing out if I really need to. There's nothing much here to see really other than a smashed van. Why don't we get to it? I've got all these stupid things on. I've got a stupid light on there and stupid lights in here. I've got stupid lights in here. Yeah, I'm gonna just have to start dismantling it, and first job is to get them lights out. I'm tracing the wires and everything of what I put in to wire in the lights in the grill. Can't find any connectors, so I'm just gonna get some snips and snip the wires so I can get it all off. So we seem to have got somewhere, and it's looking like I was able to avoid cutting the inner wing out. I did it all off camera, I'm sorry about that, but basically some map gas and a blowtorch, heat up the inner wing, and a very special tool. This very special tool here, call it a persuader. It's a specialist car repair tool. I seem to have been able to kind of reshape the inner wing to get this on. Just needs fettling slightly. I'm a little bit too far out on the inside at the top here. I'm kind of bang on in the middle and basically there down at the bottom here as well.
Oh yeah,
Go ahead.
that work at a high temperature. So the special oil could go through the turbo. It creates more thicker oil in the engine and wears that way. You couldn't win.
Yeah.
The thing is, I had the choice back in the day.
You just need to keep them away from tractors.
Oh no! Hey, that reminds me of the olden days. And yeah, we got stuck in a field. We made a little Vauxhall Vivo.
I think that's pretty close. Won't know for sure until I get the bonnet on, but I think I'm just going to go for that. I'm going to bolt all that in, get the new radiator in, get the new smash bar back on, and get it all back together and see what it looks like. I didn't really get much footage, did I? Turned out it wasn't as interesting as what I thought it would be to repair it. The most interesting part, I guess, was the wing, and that was just bodged really. Everything's lining up quite nicely. The job I've got left now, I actually got this from the same van that all these parts came from, but it was broken. I managed to fashion some kind of repair on there by cutting some aluminium, riveting it on there. Anyway, I need to get this on. Looking at it, a bit awkward. I can't get this out, hitting this cabin air filter box thing. I've got to take this out, and I don't know how I'm going to take it out, but I'm going to have to try. And that, I think, is why the one that I've bought is broken. I can't get this airbox thing out. Change of plan. I'm just going to use some brute force. Time to break something. Broke it in the exact same place that the other one was broken. Well, there it is, folks. I appreciate that was only a small video, and I appreciate that probably actually wasn't that entertaining. Just got it done quicker than what I thought it would, to be honest, and it's probably not what people watching this channel want to see, but I just thought I'd try it because this is the kind of stuff that I do all day, every day. I'm just a self-employed guy and trying my best to earn a living, I suppose. I do have another video coming up. I'm working on it at the moment. It's a joinery video, it's another workshop video. It'll be coming soon. Maybe a like or maybe a subscribe so that you don't miss it.